on Ghana's big sports platform, Max TV, and Honorable Kabet say Oka Politics Benedie, Oka House of Folk and President's Cup. Good morning, Honorable.
Good morning.
Honorable Pacho say Bibia Boko there. Yede nyame ase o na unwa ketwa amwako yene odwa nanum o osi oba ma kra ye din Sunday
ya chen ka chen say ya chen pa ma true challenge amana so be ya ma kra ye din dia ene ye be
Honorable na wakasa team ben na support o
the House of Oak has your meeting and I mean, any host got many Greater-Accra Regional Minister.
In teachers, Tim Nisi was so in teachers, unja omochidi.
Sunday, dear baby, buta. In fact, you ever bought bear set from Mindi.
Now say, Omuchi has be a normal shahas, Omuchi has a normal shahas, and I'll say. Honorable Linda, ube motivate your mama what's the trend no?
Oh, yeah, and Sunday no, life and color.
But what do you personally think about this event to honor His Excellency John Dramani Mahama with the two biggest clubs in Ghana?
Oh yes, to say research Ghana. Yeah, research Ghana. Now, what research football as well. Now, football uniting among for. It's His Excellency, part of his researching agenda. Because at least after elections among for strength, we went through. Now we had a very overwhelming victory. At least football knows the end of the day. Kotoko. This is a friendly match. I mean, irrespective of how Kotoko, it's a friendly match. What do I say? As I we end this activity. And now Uba receiving the Prime Minister.
Wow.
You cannot even differentiate between these. This is a friendly match. And this is a cup, like he said, to honor His Excellency the President. And Accra said they should come in numbers. Now they should fill the star. Where you free, and you'll be BSK. And you free. Just over bands and Namanya baby Atla. Now, and then the new cafe, you were quite well. Yes, we just finished with the Prime Minister for India. Yeah, call on camp on Heart of Oak, camp on them. Yeah, call motivating players, no? Because Sunday, dear, in fact, 5-0, dear, was here in Sankapa. 5-0.
I'm na Unyano, Dr. Makwini, on Unya Bakuno, of Oibo Zuba. Omakwe promise, say go be a Kotoko be shite be a $200. And then they push him on
$200.
And then they push him on Musumo corner now.
Yeah, about $200. Almost so with the Yakoya Mississippi. Yabasa back a year common, but say, I get $200 as him. So then I also start to His Excellency President, he said $1 good anymore. Oh, God. You can't do $200. And yes, KD, yeah, but not your mama. Send so much money. You say 5-0. 5-0.
Honorable, said the work di kasa Ghana for Emran Tem na yen share omampenie nyonyam no. Me pese uma message to the fans na saying Tem ya na basabase eden hu type for the Ghana football mu, but this is an occasion we cannot afford to drop our guard. So the regional minister's message to the fans who are coming, Honorable.
May that say to say like I said, this is a friendly match aimed to honor the President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. This is also a football to bring the nations together. It's never so be say, and just a friendly match. Uba and Koye Gidi and Koye Basa. We've had issues, instances among for such events as Kotoko in Yesi. This time around, that's a security there. I can assure you that we are bringing enough security. Enough. The entire Greater-Accra security will be there on Sunday. And there is an assurance we are giving. But the best amount for supporters neighbor to tell the American NDC MPP. This is House and Kotoko. What you are saying? If he has friendly match, yeah, brand near to come. Yeah, Ubans me I shall house for share Kotoko for. For feeding, never quite a mug of them for be no wonder. Yeah, that's what be asked. Ya can't police for Obi or baby or Sati, any a friend say I don't be on it. You bet you want to. And the young candidate, you would say, Obi small but just to intimidate. And I say, your friend said the peaceful environment, the Sunday about Cosna, Obi small brand never be different from us. Make sure, say, because police are ever deployed on the park. I mean, you don't have any idea. So that's will be Omumbra in numbers. Yeah, most can be a brand never have fun. And if you for Monday, look at the stress we went through after election. After election, is a month for record daily. Your friend say bread, ube fifi and no point to something different. And he matching just get something on the table. This is a relaxation. For relaxation, come on from bra. You chef football ni kama. Yeah, kama. But as for security, we can assure Ghanaians that security will be tight. Everything costs kama. By having a fun, mobile be fear kama. About the share the for.
Honorable Yada says it's been just over 6 months since you assumed office. Now, yes, so all Max TV, the bet my catch on and say, Yania so Juma Oba, oh yeah, Yabama Yana in theatre office, now Jumedia Udino, Yabon de Ratcher Ghana for Max TV, Yamisha Obibre.
Yamisha, meaning Sunday, food festival.
Tozafi Festival.
Yes, food festival. So I'll briefly pass by.
Honorable Debio, Uba, Meshada ma special table, Utozafi no namam di beguso amount, no.
Yes, I'm kidding. I'm seeing the me fasting from Saturday, me.
God bless you so much.
So please expect me briefly on Sunday.
Nyamisha, why? Nyamisha will be brief. All right. I have Max 89.7 and Max TV. Say there, Honorable Akasa dia, and Yenya Jumediani Nama set Nida Kun, Sanse, or no, and represent Krobia,